Welcome to Pattaya, Thailand. It is beautiful in the morning today. Look at this blue sky. It is 8 o'clock in the morning. We're gonna go have a stroll to the beach and meet a good friend on the beach roads at a coffee shop. And how does the beach and the morning looks like here in Pattaya? We will find out. Let's cross the street. Look at this lowered PCX, it's crazy. And they also have sometimes those motorbikes, very slim custom wheels. Very interesting.
Yeah, but the pavement is not really good, right? At some points.
Yeah, you have some obstacles, but at least they took care of that here. This is a brunch spot here. Ooh. This is Pattaya Klang Street here. On the left is Soil 7. There's also a very nice coffee shop, Jasmine. And those Jeeps are always here. I'm not sure what they're doing. I mean, what they're using them for. But they're always parked here. There's also a very famous Indian restaurant, Alibaba. Not sure what is going on here. Tattoo shop, facial treatments, real estate. Lots of broccoli stores, but also they're closed now. I feel like the hype is over. And it's also not that easy anymore. I think to have a herbal establishment, you need specific licenses now, and it's not that easy to get anymore, like it was at the beginning. And even though the ocean is not really swimmable here in front of Pattaya Beach, but it is still beautiful to see the ocean and the beach. Lots of motorbikes here also for rent. In general, Thailand, I think they have bigger bikes everywhere. They have those small ones too, but in general, I see way more big bikes here. Like the PCX is pretty much a standard. Then I see a lot of Yamaha X-Maxes, T-Maxes, NMX, these kind of bikes. Hello. Oh, nice coffee shop here. Marcus, how often did you get called handsome man this trip? Only
I think 2 times now.
2 times. That's not much.
3 days.
Yeah. Maybe you find your wife here on the beach, huh? In the morning spot. Yeah.
That's very empty, right?
Yeah. Well, I mean, still a few foreigners are walking. It's full in the sun. That's why probably locals will not walk here. But it looks very nice. The blue sky. Also, Pattaya sunsets are just magical. Whenever the sun goes down here, oh, beautiful. And also the cars are always modified somehow. Even the Grab cars, taxis. We even saw some, what is it called? Ambulance cars also. Ambulance cars lowered with rims and everything like that. Yeah, kind of wild. I always wondered, okay, why is this ambulance car like a tuning car? It's 7-Eleven here on the beachfronts, Burger King. You can see the Pattaya sign further away there. Tops Daily is now Tops Daily. Before it was Family Mart. I think Tops Daily just bought it. You can get some street food over here. And those bars are already open. Crazy. It's 8 a.m. Very early on. And now we're getting into the Central Festival area. Thai coffee here. Nice. And you have the police station here. There's also always a police checkpoint. And then we have the beautiful mall. But we're not gonna go in there now. Central Festival and the Hilton. Very nice bullies. Look at this, Marcus. It's a German license plate on it. FD. What is FD? Huh.
Oh yeah, I have no idea. In Germany we say Nummernschild.
Yep, that's the German word for today. Nummernschild, license plate. Ugh. I think it rained very hard yesterday, that's why it looks still like that. But look at this. I want Arabica coffee over there for Lasermann.
Oh yeah, I think this is the brand from Lasermann.
Yeah.
I like it very much.
Oktoberfest is not there anymore, so they have something else. A very stylish coffee truck here. And even though they don't honk here, but their engines are always louder, or the exhaustion pipes from the motorbikes. It's also a nice place here. Thai restaurant, right on the beach, AC, right next to the 7-Eleven. Some motorbikes here. I like those big bikes, those X-Maxes or T-Max, like those ones. I think they're so comfortable to drive. And you have some land here. This is Viertaler 6.
Oh yeah.
It smells very bad here. Where does the smell come from, Marcus?
From the sewers.
Sewers, huh?
Yeah. It's my guessing.
Yeah, sometimes it's just like some random smells coming up.
Sewers, Kanalisation. Is it right?
Ja, Kanalisation.
Wow, it's two German words in one day.
We're in Pattaya. That's almost Germany. The north part of Pattaya is very German. You have so many German restaurants here, bakeries and everything. Yep.
The little conference.
Yeah, this is like a Miami hotel, I would say. Cadillac hotel. Really? You got a Porsche over here. A stylish international Thai cuisine. I think you can also book the whole hotel. It's a nice location here, right next to the Central Festival. Somewhere here on the left side it should be the coffee shop. Get some fried shrimps here. Thai coffee in the morning. You can buy all kinds of stuff here. Marcus. But we need without anything on.
Yeah, without branding.
But we also have hookahs, sunglasses, helmets if you need a helmet. But usually those helmets are not that good. Yeah, be careful. There are lots of accidents on the road here. That's why always wear helmets, no matter if it's cool, not cool, hot or not. But yeah, the amount of accidents that happen here on a daily basis, how many people actually die, it's kind of crazy. And it's usually because no helmet or, yeah, I would wear a helmet. Albatross, that's where we want to go. Look at this, beautiful. They're cleaning the pavement here. Let's see where this guy is. Look at this.
He's in already.
Hello, Sawadee Cup. Look at this guy. So this is our German manager.
Morning. If you have any inquiries, please send it to him.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, we are doing only business here in Pattaya, of course. All right, let's have a coffee. So what are the prices here? Espresso shot, 90. Look at this, man. We just had a coffee for 50, but it was in our little side street.
Would you like anything to drink? Espresso or frappe or
Frappe.
or vodka lemon?
What about a mimosa?
For me,
I want mimosa.
Yeah.
I'm just kidding. I get an espresso. That is the coffee shop we just been. Now let's check out the beach there. How does it look? So people hanging out here. Firm sand. The Pattaya sign here. Lots of jet skis. But since I heard so many bad stories about jet ski scams in Thailand, I would never do it. I would not even ask. The weather is amazing today. But who knows? In Thailand, it can always start raining at any time of the day. But now it's just perfect. Thank you so much for watching. Check out this video here and see you in the next walk.